Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This idiot driver who doesn't know the traffic law needs his driving license suspended. This selfish BMW driver takes both lanes while making a left turn. These birds cut me off. That's why you should never be on your phone or distracted by something.
What the hell is he doing?
When tailgating doesn't work, just take the shoulder. Feels like I see a driver with a death wish every day. This Russian driver lost control of his vehicle and flipped over onto the roof. This must have been a quiet ride home. Why didn't you look before pulling out?
In 2.5 kilometers, exit to Highway 401 west toward Toronto.
Oh my god! Thank God your window was closed. What is left?
Driver's heart is pounding. This driver made a sneaky turn without any visibility and paid the price. But whose fault was it? This driver loses control for no apparent reason. Old lady gets impatient and apparently wants me to ram the car in front of me so she can squeeze into the turn lane.
Z1966.
Comment if you know where this is. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.